It's raining, but I don't need an umbrella. Standing in your rain is where I wanna be.
Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then my name is Belle. Feels like it's been quite a while since I've sat in front of this camera talking to you guys. I hope you guys have been well. We have got some more new makeup releases that is coming out in the market, and I wanted to bring you guys some new bits that I recently got from Sheglam. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So as I mentioned, I got some more bits from Sheglam. They have actually been on a roll with their makeup releases. Some of these are new, and if you haven't watched my previous video on Sheglam, I will leave it up here somewhere, so make sure you check it out. But I recently picked up this palette from Sheglam, which is called Deep Feelings. It looks like this. These are the shades, so it's really kind of like a smoky sort of palette, to be honest. Hopefully you guys can see that pretty clearly, but these are all the shades. So I'm going to prime using my PLousie eyeshadow base in the shade Roma 3. I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Bronzer, and I'm literally just going to add just a little bit, pretty much on my upper crease area, just so that it's easy for that darker brown to blend into and then it doesn't look weird, so to speak. So I'm going to go with this shade here, which is called Decadence. Pretty much a cool tone brown. Cool tone brown. It actually looks like, that's so weird, it actually looks like a grey. I usually shy away from dark colours like this in the like crease area, but I'm trying to switch it up. I can't keep doing the same things every single time. And it is sort of nice for me to try out different eyeshadow looks because I get to sort of work on my own creativity, etc. But I'm a simple girl, so I'm pretty much probably going to use like 2-3 shades. The next shade I'm going to go in with is pretty much standing out to me at the moment. It's this shade at the bottom here. It's kind of like a bluish grey. I don't really know how to explain this colour, but it's called Hidden Gems. I want to try it out without any extra product first, just to see what the pigment is like. Okay, definitely do want to add my glitter primer, so I'm going to quickly do that. Okay, that's much better. And I feel like by doing this, the micro glitters do come out a little bit more as well. But we are definitely going for a smoky vibe today. I really like the way this is looking, so I'm happy with that. So I'm just going to continue to pack this all over my lid. Okay, on my lash line, I am going to add the black shade. What is this? It's called Abyss, so I'm just going to add this matte black shade just on my lower lash line, not my lower lash line, my upper lash line, just to smoke it out a little bit. Oh, I like that. I mean, I have tried blacks that are a little bit darker than this, but this will definitely do the job. And I just want to sort of wing it out a little bit as well, not too much. This is pretty much all I want to do with the eyes, to be honest. It's really just this lid shade that is taking over. But again, my hooded eyes, even when I'm looking at myself in the mirror, you can't really see it on my crease. So I'm just going to have to bring that shade up a little bit. So I'm pretty much just going to leave it here with the eyes. Obviously, I am going to clean this area up a little bit, put my lashes on, etc. I am thinking to do an inner tear duct shade as well, but I'm going to do the rest of my base before I decide on that. The next products that I do want to try are cheek and lip products, so I'm just going to quickly do my face and then I will be right back. Okay, so I've done most of my base. I haven't set with any powder, so I need to go through this pretty quickly because I don't want to crease. I probably will have to go back in and just blend underneath. So I got 2 blush shades, and then I've got one of these Take a Hint lip tint. I can't talk today. Take a Hint lip tint. So I'm going to use the 2 blushes that I have first. I've got 2 cream blushes out of the 4 that they had. So let me just quickly swatch them for you guys so you can see what it looks like. So this one here is called Torrid, and then this one here is called Dolce Vita. So I think I'm going to use Dolce Vita today. A little bit of this is pretty easy to apply. So this is what the applicator looks like, and then it comes with this little spongy thing here. So I believe it's one that you probably will need to shake first. Just apply some of this. Oh, that looks quite nice actually. I really don't want to apply too much because I don't know how pigmented this is going to be. Okay, so usually I do prefer to go in with a sponge, so I'm just going to use the bottom of my sponge. Oh, that looks nice. Oh, okay then. Obviously it's quite lightweight, so I'm actually happy with that. So I don't have to sort of blend out too much because it's super lightweight. But because of my eyes, I don't want to go in with too much, but I am actually going to put a little bit more, so 2 coats. But I do like this shade and I do like the way it looks so far. I think it's actually better for me to blend it out with a sponge, so any excess product does sort of get sucked up, if you get what I mean. So it's definitely not an order that I usually like to do my face. I think that's probably like the awkward thing for me. I like to set as soon as I put my highlighter on, but yeah, I'm just going to quickly set that now. So I'm going to use my Technic Rice setting powder. I've really been enjoying this, and yeah, it just works really well for me. So I'm going to use that setting powder to set my under eyes. Look how smooth that makes my skin. Oh my gosh. Seriously, and this setting powder was only £5 as well. So the lip tint that I have here, it's called Birthday Suit. Okay, so I did put a tiny bit of concealer on my lips just as a base, because this lip tint, obviously it's really lightweight. So this is what it looks like. It feels quite minty. I don't know why, but anyways, let's just keep applying. I mean, I don't know if I was expecting much out of this, but it doesn't do much in my opinion. Obviously, I do have like pigmentation on my lips. I think this would look better on someone with a lighter skin tone, unless you get one of the darker shades, because this is a nude shade. Yeah, I can't really see much for me, so yeah, probably not for me. Okay, so this is the finished look, and again, I'm pleased with how the look has come out. I'm actually surprised I didn't have to go in with a powder blusher to add any more blush, so I think that blusher in itself did a great job. If you are someone that doesn't like to go in too heavy with blushes, then I think this particular blush would be a really good one to go for, and it is affordable. I mean, what else is there to say? I think in future, if I do want something a little bit more pigmented, then I would have to apply a little bit more, but it's a lightweight blusher. I really like the way it looks. The lip tint, that particular shade didn't do anything for me. Maybe if I went a little bit darker on the red side, and I think it would have definitely come up a little bit more. I think this lip tint would show up on someone with a lighter skin tone, so I personally don't think that it works for deeper skin tones. Nonetheless, everything else in terms of the eyeshadow and the blusher, really happy with. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe if you are not already, and of course I hope to see you all in my next one. Bye.